Because they won against Man City. I don't understand. I never knew these men supported Spurs. These ones are quiet. Does he go to the games and that? Damn flipping. Huh? No way. What? No way. I hate you're not banned from Tottenham. You're not banned from Tottenham, are you?
No. Who's saying that? This guy?
I thought the Wembley incident one got banned.
You gassing for that?
What happened to Wembley?
Don't listen to this guy. Wake this shit up.
No comment.
No comment. That's how you know it was bad.
The cameras ain't on, it's alright.
It is fucking on.
Don't say anything. Don't speak.
Matt, question this week. Most overrated and underrated Prem ball of all time.
Underrated. Moussa Dembele. Overrated.
Yeah?
Ozil.
Who?
Ozil.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What, overrated?
Underrated player of all time, Jordan Henderson.
Sorry.
Underrated. Huh? He's underrated.
He's overrated.
Nah.
He's fucking, yeah, he's overrated, definitely. But go on.
Overrated. It's a hard one.
You're on YouTube, yeah? Use your brain.
Yeah, man said Jordan Henderson already, mate.
Yeah, he is
He said
underrated.
he's underrated Prem ball of all time.
What?
Dead.
Yeah, James Milner's underrated as well.
No, he's not.
He is.
He's not, man. Nah, he's not underrated.
I know he's overrated.
Go on.
Thiago. Yeah, not this Thiago.
I know, Thiago. The other Thiago, he fucking played about 3 games for us in 3 years.
That's his problem. That's his problem.
Go on, Saj. Go on, your turn, innit? Most overrated and underrated Prem ball of all time.
Stop with Mo Salah.
Mo Salah?
Underrated.
Underrated? No, he's not. He gets his flowers.
Nah, man. Underrated Mo Salah. Mo Salah, man. Scores every season, fucking, he's still underrated.
No, he's not.
Yeah, he is.
Alright, go on. Overrated.
Overrated, it's gotta be bloody Alan Shearer.
Alan Shearer? Why? Liam, most overrated and underrated Prem ball of all time.
Overrated. Mo Salah. Dead baller. Underrated. Park Ji-sung.
What you saying? Good, man. I'm good, man. Yeah, man.
We're done, man. Another day.
Huh?
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
I know.
I'm done. We ain't editing now.
No, what did you say? Underrated? You said Park Ji-sung, innit?
Yeah, Park Ji-sung. Fact.
I mean, most overrated and underrated Prem ball of all time.
Underrated. Park Ji-sung, Matthew Carrick.
They're not underrated.
No, Carrick's better than these lot fucking Lampard and Gerrard, man.
You think so?
Yeah.
No, 100%. Actually, I agree.
I genuinely think that. Overrated, I don't know, man. Fucking Maddison. Average.
Pabs. Most overrated and underrated Prem ball of all time.
Ryan Giggs.
What, overrated?
Yeah.
Giggs. Great run here by Ryan Giggs. Oh!
Go on, underrated.
Jonathan Woodgate.
Jonathan. IH. Most overrated and underrated Prem ball of all time.
Overrated, I'll say Food.
Yeah?
Underrated, I'll say Tuat.
Alright. Cool. Big one. Yeah, you lot start, yeah? Sweet.
Oh my days.
Hard to come off.
Yeah, ball's a bit flat still. I think it's got a hole in there still. Go on, Matt.
Oh, not his fucking head already.
Yeah, it's flat, don't worry.
We got 7 then.
Huh?
We got 7.
6, 2, 4, 5.
Are you not playing?
Wait, that's 7. What? Can't I count? 2, 4, 6, 7.
Yeah, you got 7, yeah.
Oh shit. It's 650 then, isn't it? 650, I'll give you £1 back. Because I can't count. I'm dyslexic.
You said we had 5, then me. Yeah, 7, man.
No, but Sam was including that. I'm dyslexic, so
Yeah.
you lot. Wait, oh yeah, shit. See, I can't fucking count. Oh.
There's a camera rolling.
It is fucking.
Don't edit that out.
Alright, Paz, me and you off, and these lot start. Alright, people, welcome back to another episode of CC at the Fives. You know what's going on, we're live. It's game day 10. This game don't really mean too much. We're bottom of the pile right now. It's not looking good. I don't know if a win here will help us. But, you know the routine. Get your drinks, sit back, put your feet up, and let's get into it. Alright, today we're playing Crouch Potatoes. We've played these lot 3 times, I think, in our journey so far. We played them twice in Div 2. Both times came out victorious. The time we played them in Div 1, they came out on top. This is the 4th time round, and we're looking to grab 3 points off them. 0-0, early sparring. The boy Liam and H trying their shots. Mumming one that trickles into the keeper's hands. Teammates are playing against teammates. Keeper's got some sort of fingertips to that. Don't know how. That should have been 1-0. It's another one that's dribbled past the post. But yeah, early sparrings. The boy Mumming's back. Look at the way the ball's flowing. Another one's dribbled past the post. Keeper saves the second one. So as you can see, we've been going forward and pressuring them. Then this happens. 1-0 to Crouch Potatoes against the runner play. Great through ball there. Maybe just a bit on it. Bounced off the wall and allowed Matt to come and usher him to the corner. Their players have found a way out. The boy Bruno trying a bit of trickery on the boys, but doesn't work. But he gets it back somehow. I'm sure Liam could have stretched his lanky leg out and got that one, but again, still gets his shot off. So against the runner play, we're 1-0 down. We're about 5 minutes in and 1 down.
Man.
To me, that looks like it's over the line. Ref can't see from there though. It's unfortunate. We're still 1-0 down when we should be.
The lefty.
Maybe 1-1, 2-1 up, maybe more.
Have it.
Anyway, we're on tour. Again, dribbled past the post.
Lovely.
But all this pressure.
Unlucky.
Pressure bust pipe. Or it creates diamonds.
Hold on, Pat. The goal. Alright, quality finish.
Good. Yeah, well done, Pabs. 1-1 and the pressure's paid off. Back in the mix again. They slowed the game down to walking pace. Finds a burst of pace. Gets a shot off. This week we've got Jacob in goal. New face.
Go on, Harry. Brilliant. Oh, unlucky. Great football, unlucky. Yeah.
Mommy doing the commentary for me, letting everyone know it was great football. The passing was moving, it was fluid. But they've got an attack of their own, but it's stopped nice and early with the boy H. Oh, don't know how the keeper saved that. Alright. Oh! There's my reaction. Says everything.
Unlucky. Inside.
I'm not too sure about these rules anymore about inside the box. I need help understanding them.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh yeah, I'm on player camp this week. Shot goes wild. 1-1, a lot of sparring going on, back and forth. I just can't find the finish. Keeping with nothing about it. He just found a toe to it. That's a great touch, he's brought that down. 1-1 against the run of play. We should be further ahead, but this one looks like the first. They get another. 2-1 against the run of play. Somehow, some way, they're ahead again. They found a way to put their toes in front. They almost get another. It's still rattled the crossbar. Somehow this guy's wriggled away, squared it, and they got another. Hands up, I'll take that one. He left me, wriggled away. I didn't get back in time. I lost out. Anyway, Momin giving Bruno the shoulder. Finds a gap. Pabs makes a triple into the keeper. Before the game started, the boy Bruno had told me he's been getting gym. He said he wants to test himself out. I said I'll show him.
Oh, ball!
He's gone down easy there in my book. But ref's called it anyway. Nothing comes from it though. But something comes from this.
Well done, Mommy.
Finish, Jack.
And just like that, within the blink of an eye, the 3 goes down. Hayton Liam back on to try and turn the game around. And instantly we're higher up the field as it is. Liam takes on his player. Keeper does not much about that. Again, driving forward, higher up the pitch. Just notice how they've left one behind though, so they're ready for a counter attack. But that doesn't matter. My boys got different ideas. 4-2, back in the mix.
30 episodes?
Bossman on the sideline was telling me about his life and saying that he travelled to Turkey to play 5-a-side. I said big up. But while they were saying that, and I was bigging myself up and saying about how many episodes we got, this happened. Unlucky that one was just too powerful for the boy Jacob to hold.
Good.
5-2. From what I see, it doesn't look like it's in the area.
Yep.
Let's get a different view. Half time, and that's 5-2.
Oh, that's 5. I think it's 5-3 or 6-2, something like that.
Which one?
Which goal? The one off the post, isn't it? Oh.
You didn't see it.
This has gone too quick.
If you didn't see it, it's a goal because he hadn't seen a foul or in the
No
box.
one said anything, so.
Alright, second half begins as the first half ends. 5-2. Plenty of time to get back in this. Pabs with a shot. It's too hot for the keeper to handle. Spills, but no one's there to pounce on it. Anyway, Bruno coming forward. Gets a shot. I think the keeper saves it or it goes high. I'll do the same. Remember I told you about Bruno going gym?
Oh shit! I'm Mommy, sorry. Yep. Hospital. Well in, Mommy. Matt won it. There we go again. Unlucky.
Hey, you can see we're applying the pressure again. 5-2. Maybe we should have one or two more. But you know, this is the game.
Hakemin hatası da adam
Bizim bir penaltı.
o hatadan dolayı zaten o 2 penaltı yedi.
Bizim bir penaltı vardı.
Nerede? Ama bir şey yapmadınız. Çekmedin, gitmedin.
Ya yok oldu. Şu offside mi verdi ne verdim ben?
Broski on the sideline saying, hold on, they're gonna score.
Kornerden attılar ya.
Ay wait a moment.
I'm starting to believe him. 5-3. Liam gets a long ball, you know he's gonna try and twist and turn, finds a way to wriggle himself out, finds H. H goes across that woman.
Again.
That one, somehow, some way, he's fluffed it. Still 5-3. H coming forward.
Unlucky H.
It's unlucky, keeper saves.
Pull the trigger next time H.
It's a back and forth affair, back and forth. If they can score, we can score. If they can score, wraps that one. But if they can do it, we can do one too.
Hey, well done.
H puts that in the back of the net. 6-4, 2 in it. Momin's got to close his legs there, he's beat him. We're unlucky there, it's coming to post. But it's now our time to come forward. 1, 2.
Yes, boy.
And puts that in the corner.
Yes. Alright, go on, boys.
6-5 now. 1 in it. As Momin said. And as this moment happened, I never thought something like this would happen to me. But it has. Watch it from my view.
Am I going? No, wait. Ah!
So we go down from our own goal, done by myself. And I just feel like there's no excuse for it. But it happens. It's another unfortunate series of events. So now they get theirs. 8-5, crazy to think how the turn of events has happened. One mistake, it was 1 in it. Now there's 3 goals in it. But there's still a bit of time. We can still make something happen. Bruno skips away from 2. He's coming forward. Finds the pass, they drive it across. Jacob jumps across and he saves that one. The way he jumped, he looked like a cheetah chasing an antelope. But let's talk about that pass there. That's the splitters. 2-on-1. Should have done better there.
Hey, keeps, hold on, keeps. Man now. Oh. Hey, wait a minute, Rev. It's not wrestling.
Somehow the ref gave the foul the other way as well. Really gets to me. 8-5, looking for a way back into the game. Keeper spills. Woman should be better. Hit the side net. I know it seems like I'm putting all our clips in, but this is how it was. They scored and they were 3 ahead and had the pressure. We're starting to relieve some.
Yeah. Yes.
8-6, 2 in it now. Surely, but surely. This was naughty.
Ref, it's not wrestling. That's the second one.
Not gonna lie, Moment. You gotta get him
Well
back.
done, Matt.
8-6.
Drive, inject it.
Moment looking for revenge.
Slap it.
But after the way he was trapped,
Hey, unlucky.
his mindset's gone. And as the final whistle's gonna go, the final score is gonna end 8-6. And that leaves us with only one win. Division 1.
Well done, well played.
Hold on, bro. I don't want to keep it.
Good game, well played.
Ref, don't let them bully you, ref. Cool.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers. Hey, well played. Well played.
Looking back at the season, it's been a poor one compared to what we're used to. Back-to-back promotions, loads of goals. We've got some work to do. But you know, this is CC, and we'll be back. See you next week, man.
Shower shit. Running to the money zone. CP black hoodie with the goggles on.